Hello friends, today I will show you how to open HP 15DA laptop. If you want to upgrade the RAM, hard disk, it's very easy. You can watch how I am opening. I have already opened some screws. Okay, here I will open some screws over here also. We are having here 4 screw, 1, 2, and there is here 3, and there is one will be over here on the back. We have to open all the 4 screw. Then we have to remove the black one. Over there also we are having 4 screws on both the side. I have just now removed all the screws. Just I want to show here. And over here also we are having to tape one. Just remove that one and remove the screws from that. First we have to remove the DVD there from over here. And now open I already open it. It's just be careful and open this task. See, after opening, we can change a hard disk to SSD and the RAM over there 2 slots. We can increase the RAM, and that is the battery. This is the processor fan. Now I will just replace the hard disk to SSD one. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, friend.